Okay, when Grandma opened up the Villa Rosa, the one in Frankfurt, okay, I went with a guy. His name was Charlie, and he had a tavern in Richton Park by the railroad.
And what was
Okay,
Charlie's last name?
Dodoni. And what happened? I went to Frankfurt and I talked with Grace, and they had downstairs a man apparently had a pizza oven or whatever, but they weren't making no money, no nothing. When I went in to talk with her, she said she'd like to have a pizza down there and stuff, a restaurant. So her part upstairs, she had like beads, all my boots were with the beads on. Beautiful. It was just beautiful. So anyhow, I went to Charlie and we decided he was going to open up the one in Richmond Park, and I opened the one in Frankfurt at the same time, and it was called Villa Rosa.
Why was it
I
Villa
put
Rosa?
my name first because I'm a villa, very good villa, and his was Rosa. I guess his mother's name was Rosa, so he used her name. So it's called the Villa Rosa. So he opened the one in Richmond Park, and I had the one in Frankfurt. Cut